Welcome to GuideUp. Today I'm going to guide you on how to make and share a Google Sheet as editable. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome and you are logged into your account. Now all you have to do is search Google Sheet, or you can also click on this Google Apps option at the top right corner, and there you can see the option Google Sheets. Now click over there. You will be now lead to this page where you can see various options. First one is blank spreadsheet, to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, Google Finance investments, and annual calendar. Now you have to choose one according to your preference. For this video, we will click on blank spreadsheet. Now, a blank spreadsheet will be created. Now all you have to do is click on share option at the top. But before sharing, make sure to name your spreadsheet. After naming your spreadsheet, all you have to do is click on Save option. Now to share your Google Sheets, firstly, you need to change the general access. Right now it is in restricted option. Now click over there. You have to choose the option anyone with the link. After that, here you need to search the email or the people that you want to share your Google Sheets with. After choosing the email or the person that you want to send your Google Sheets, you have to click on this box. Here you can see three options: only a viewer, only a commenter, or an editor. As in this video, we are about to share Google Sheets as editable. We will click on the editor option. Now you can write down the message that you want to send to that email or that person. After that, you can click on send. And after that, the person that you have sent your Google Sheets will be able to open the Google Sheet that you have shared and will also be able to edit it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.